Hi there, I'm author Matt Oldfield, and my book Unbelievable Football, The Most Amazing World Cup Stories You Never Knew is a £1, €1.50 book for World Book Day 2026. Okay, what should you read next? Number one, I'll go for the first book in my Unbelievable Football series. I love them all, of course, but that one was the first, the original, and it just has so many great stories. Staying with non-fiction, I'd also recommend the Football School series, which offers a really great mix of fun and information and pictures. So I'll choose the first book in that series, Where Football Rules the World. Next, I'll choose two brilliant fiction books. One about football, called Me and Aaron Ramsey by Manon Stefan Rios, and one about athletics, called Ghost by Jason Reynolds. And finally, let's go back to football for Raw by Beth Mead, which I was delighted to work on with her a couple of years ago.